If you guys want to take a picture with animal, you gotta jump in next 30 minutes.
How could your friend Sako not have mentioned that we'd have to jump out of the plane into Japan?
And why do you do this? He said, trying to take the bushes for the animal. I didn't realize that I had to make jump us.
We've got to get to the eye level, Lloyd, so let's just jump.
Guys, there's no way my mom is jumping out of this airplane.
I know how to make her jump.
No chance. She's been afraid of heights ever since.
Help me! Oh my god, Everton, what did you do with Messiah? I just pushed with Messiah. What? Girl, he's failing again. It's ready here. Okay. And Mercy, so we gotta jump first. And I can't watch. You get this, Sasha. 1, 2, jump. Okay, guys. 1, 2, jump. Come on, let's dance. Okay, the way Messiah Walkers. What's next?
Ladies first.
Shake my hand, it's a reverse! No! Just scream! Win! Now!
Water!
You got the job!
Now let me.
Right! Sorry! My friend here's just a little nervous!
Hello. Konnichiwa.
No! I didn't mean to turn you on!
I'm sorry.